Hello beginners, welcome back to the coding apps. In this channel you are going to learn the awesome Android apps. So please make sure you subscribe this channel and like and share this tutorial. In this video series we are going to learn how to make an WebView app. In this series we are going to convert our Fiverr.com to our WebView app. Here you can see it. Okay, after that when we click on it, we go on another activity, and when we press back button, we are going to redirect in our home page. Further, we are going to add more functionality to our app. So be tuned with coding apps. So let's get started with today's tutorial. So first of all, we had changed our activity main. We had removed our text view, dummy text view, and we had added a web view to it. Okay, after that we had set its width to match parent and its height will be match parent, and here we had assigned its id my web view. Okay, after that we had completed our layout part. Then we had cross it and come on styles.xml. Here we are going to change from dark action bar to no action bar, because we don't want any action bar. We need our full screen app. As our Chrome need internet to load the websites, our Android app also need an internet. So we are going to ask a permission in our manifest file by this single line of code, that is uses permission dot internet. Okay, so here we got our internet and we had changed our styles.xml file. So closing it. After that we are going to start a code in our main activity.java file. So first of all we are going to write our WebView object. After that we are going to write our web page. Okay, web page, and we are going to assign our website which we have to convert. In this video series we are converting the website name fiverr.com. You will find 10 to 15 videos about this series where we are going to add the push notifications, back buttons, refresh buttons, slides, splash screen. After that some animations and many more. So please make sure you subscribe this channel and like this video. So for moving forward we are going to cast it in our onCreate method, and simply we are going to load it. When we run this app by just typing this much code, when we click on our any of these button, okay, so we will get an chooser, or a Android will give a chooser in which Chrome you want to open this link. So to avoid that we had set the WebView client. So here we are going to write WebView client instead of this method. When we just write this much code, when we write this much code, then we will get our activity resolved. But when we click on, after that when we run our app, so when we click on any of this button and when we press the back button, so it will not come back like this, but our app will be closed down. So to avoid this we had implemented one method, that name is should override URL loading. Okay, here it's showing error, so let's see what is error. Oh, here curly bracket was we had removed it. So adding curly bracket, we can able to override should override URL loading. WebView view and string URL is 2 parameter So here we are going to simply say view.load URL. Okay, so by this we will get our solution. When we click on back or when we click on any of the URL of the web page, we are not going to send to the Chrome, but we are going to open the same page in our app only. So when we come back or press the back button, we are simply moving from our application to home screen. Means our application is closing instead of going back to the web view. So here we had implemented our if case. If our web view can go back, so we had written webview dot go back. Else we are going to simply say super dot on back press. So this was our small lines of code. You can find this code from the given link. It's a free. So first of all, let's run our app again. So here you will find our application will again look like this only. So let's load this app. Android Studio will take some time, so I had already coded these things and explain you in brief so you can understand it, and it saves our time instead of writing every single line of code. Okay, and if you want this file, then you can simply click on the given description. So here our internet speed is slow, so it's taken time, and here you can see our fiverr.com. Okay, after that when we click on any of this design or a gig, we will simply move to that gig. So let's click on sorry, I disconnected my device, so let me connect again. Okay, here is it, Lenovo K8 Plus. So you can do this, and if you had enjoyed this video, then please make sure you give a thumbs up and give feedback in comment section, and be free to ask a query in the comment section. We will solve it. Okay, so first of all, subscribe this channel, and we will get back soon in another tutorial. Thanks for watching.